ngayon guys, nandito na tayo sa loob ng IKEA. Gusto ko magbigay ng review mamaya. Gusto ko magbigay ng review guys regarding sa ating tawag dito. So yun nga, gusto ko magbigay ng review guys habang naglalakad tayo sa ating Philippine Embassy. In fairness ha, dami nating struggles. In fairness guys, sobrang bait nila, very accommodating sila, which is good. Kasi 10 years back, grabe yung mga dun sa pulo, siguro wala na sila ngayon, but now they're really so good, they're very helpful. Yun lang masasabi ko, sobrang babait nila. So kudos sa kanila. So nandito na tayo ngayon. Restaurant here, no? Okay. So bago tayo maglakad-lakad guys, punta muna tayo sa hanap tayo ng pagkain kasi syempre hindi matatapos yung IKEA natin kung wala tayong food, kung hindi natin matikman yung food nila. Alright, so let's do this. Oh, so good. There. So, ayan. This is a steak. Can I have this one, please? Huh? Yes. This is with fish already, right? Yeah. You have plant-based meatballs?
Yes.
How much that one? 750? How many pieces? Huh?
250.
Okay, give me also, dear. But dear, can you put it in takeaway?
Takeaway box all there.
Okay, no problem. Okay, dear. Put more gravy, please. So yun guys, yan yung pagkain natin. And then yan, for sure hindi natin to maubos. So anong gagawin natin pag hindi maubos guys? Wala. Ito talaga yung favorite ko, plant-based. Sa coffee. Yan. So, kain muna tayo guys. Tapos, ikot-ikot tayo mamaya after the food, okay? So yun guys, hindi na kayo dapat mag-alala kasi dati pala, anuhin ko sa inyo yung foreign affairs, diba kailangan ng tatak sa ibang, dati yun sa ibang building, but now they're putting it into one. So kung magpa-verify ka ng UWA, nandoon na din yung foreign affairs, doon na rin tatatakan. So that is really convenient for all of us. So congratulations embassy for doing that. So sobrang saya guys. I am in the page now where my heart is really full kasi finally makakalabas na tayo ng bansa anytime we want. We just need money. Alright, so after this one guys, i-close na natin tong vlog na to kasi for sure we'll explore IKEA and some other things, and we will put into other vlog. So yun lang, maganda yung experience ko today, very productive yung day ko, which is really nice, and I'm so happy and grateful na natapos natin. Though hindi ako natulog kagabi guys, I don't know why, kasi kakakapi ko na ng kakakapi, tapos ito na naman, o kape na naman ako. Masarap kasi talaga yung kape guys. So yun lang, so close natin tong vlog na to guys. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. See you later pala guys, kasi mag-vlog tayo ulit. Alright, so one more thing pala guys ha, sasabihin ko sa iyo kung sinong gusto na uuwi sa Pilipinas. So kailangan nyo ng verification of contract, una yun. Tapos kailangan ng patatakan siya ng, makukuha yun ng contract ninyo guys sa amo ninyo in Sanad, through Sanad. And then kailangan nyo pumunta ng embassy or foreign affairs para patatakan, i-verify yung contract ninyo, at magbayad kayo ng 4 reals. Third, kailangan yung pumunta din ng UWA para ma-verify din yung contract ninyo, and then magbayad na din kayo ng UWA membership for 2 years. Alright, and you have to pay 10 reals for the membership for UWA. That is valid for 2 years. Alright, so yun lang naman guys, para matulungan kayo kung gusto nyo din naman ng umuwi ng Pilipinas, and the next will follow. Kailangan nyo ng ticket, kailangan nyo ng e-travel, kailangan natin ng OEC kung babalik pa tayo. So yun, that will be the next step kung uwi na talaga kayo. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching and I hope to see you soon again. Bye! Pumunta ko dito ito. So yun guys, kailangan na nating lumabas kasing ihi-ihi ng lola ninyo. My goodness, ihi muna tayo tapos iikot ulit. So yun yung gagawin natin guys. Lang, magkano to? To real lang, nakahang siya. So yun guys, pupunta muna tayo ng Matalan. Mag-shopping muna tayo. I think we need something from Matalan. So let's go guys. Grabe yung ano. Now guys, is already 4 o'clock para bago tayo umuwi. Mga 5 siguro, 5:30. Kailangan natin kumain ng ice cream pang finale. So time check guys, it's already 5. No, 4:45 na. So let's go home na. Pwede na, tolerable na siguro yung init. We need to go home because we need to go to palengke. We'll try to buy fish para sa yun, para may pagkain tayo guys. So let's do it. Sobrang ganda na ngayon yung avenue. So kasi ang lawak na ng parking guys. Grabe. Hindi to ganito dati. As in, maliit na yung parking. Pero ngayon, in fairness, grabe, ang ganda. Ganda na ngayon ng avenues. Pero sobrang init talaga guys, I swear. It's too hot. Good luck sa atin. Yan oh, sobrang init. Alas 5 na guys, pero grabe. Ano kasi dito, summer. So it's really like this. Whew. Ano tayong magagawa guys. It's really like this. What to do? Yan lang problema dito kasi yan, pahirapan ba takbuhan. Whew. My God, takbo is life, takbo is life, ganun talaga ang life. Ayan, kailangan nating tumakbo ng bongga-bongga.